How to make money on Instagram. Instagram has evolved from a single picture sharing app to a very powerful marketing tool for businesses of all sizes to reach their target audience. At the time of making this video, Instagram has over 1 billion active users. 60% of people use this platform to discover new products, and 80% of them follow at least one brand. 200 million accounts check out a business profile each day, and 2 in 3 of these visits are from non-followers. So, you can see the potential for businesses and those selling a service or product to reach a huge audience with their goods. So how can you make money on Instagram? It's easy, of course, if you're a personality. Apparently Kylie Jenner is paid around 1.2 million for a single post on Instagram. She, of course, is an exception, but many much smaller personalities make money via sponsorship. Every person can still find an individual approach to Instagram monetization, even though the competition is still very high. Here's a few other ideas. If you have a physical product, then selling it on Instagram has never been easier. Instagram has turned into a powerful sales machine. Since people use this network to discover and buy products, Instagram rolls out business-specific features like in-app checkout, the shop button and product tags, and shoppable stickers to make the shopping process easier. Big brands use Instagram to increase e-commerce sales with platforms like Shopify. This platform is also a perfect place for people who want to sell something. Whether you want to sell physical or digital goods, you can use your Instagram bio. Just have a call to action and include a website link so that interested followers can learn more about your offer. You can create shoppable posts to sell physical products with an Instagram creator account in-app. People will buy all sorts on Instagram. No matter what you sell, your potential customer is on Instagram. But it's important to create a following and interest your potential customers. Make it worth their while to keep coming back to your page. Sponsored posts. 76% of people say that they are more likely to trust content shared by common people than brands. People seek out peers for recommendation, so it's no wonder more and more brands reach out to influencers to get shout-outs for their brands. If you go down this route, you need to follow strict codes and inform your viewers that you are uploading sponsored posts. Most brands pay close attention to engagement rate, so again, retaining and growing your channel is essential. Brand ambassadors. Sponsored posts work well on Instagram, but most companies want to establish long-term relationship with influencers. So they look out for brand ambassadors who can promote a company in a positive light on a regular basis. It's a perfect place for users to find brand ambassador programs and collaborate with companies to promote their products with their community. Most brand ambassadors will be asked to sign contracts with brands to promote their products within their communities. And to get better results, brands need to find an influencer who has a following that represents their target audience. Again, building a great channel with lots of followers in a particular niche will help you become this brand ambassador. Affiliate links. When done right, affiliate links can bring big money. Here at Business with Joe, we use ClickBank, but there are lots of companies you can sign up to and start affiliate marketing. Just remember to promote links that fit into your niche, demographics and branding, otherwise you'll lose followers. However, all links in Instagram posts are non-clickable, so adding a URL isn't the best idea, as readers have to copy the link manually from your text, which few seldom do. So it's better to write a call to action inviting your readers to click on the link in your bio. Start a media marketing business. There are over 25 million businesses and 2 million advertisers on Instagram. So some smaller brands need professional assistance if they want to cut through the noise. Therefore, social media marketing services are in great demand. You could either run courses and build up an online course, a great passive income stream, or seek out one-to-one clients and charge a higher premium for this service. Sell visual content. People upload over 100 million photos and videos daily on various social media sites. However, viewers can see through the overly polished professional photos and they want authenticity. So many brands pay close attention to user-generated content. In fact, most consumers believe that content generated by the user is more memorable than other media. So businesses want content created by their customers. So this is your opportunity to sell photos and videos you create. Travel is a prime example. Companies invite real travellers to take photos showcasing their experiences while staying at brand properties in exchange for free accommodation and/or payment. Using real-life images rather than stage photos has a huge potential if you can showcase your images and then get a contract to visit or use a product. Write copy for businesses. Nowadays, any business can afford to be on Instagram. Over 90% of small businesses plan to spend more time on social media marketing. Brands of all sizes want to use this platform to promote their products and services. This brings great opportunities for anyone that can write great copy. Whilst big brands have in-house staff, small brands need to outsource to reduce their social media marketing costs. Take a look at online workplaces like Fiverr, FREELANCE and Upwork for small companies advertising for some work. Make masks and filters for Instagram stories. Over 500 million people watch and create Instagram stories daily. This type of content is available for a limited period and people are highly engaged with it. What is more, companies create Instagram stories, masks and filters to prove their niche expertise and promote their products. Again, just like writing copy, larger companies have in-house designers who can create filters for their brands, while smaller brands want to collaborate with freelancers who specialise in Instagram masks and filters. Freelance. Instagram is not just a place to post pictures of your holidays or your cat. Since Instagram hit the 1 billion active users, it has become a great platform for networking, especially for people in the creative fields. Today, more and more professionals use this platform to post their online portfolio. If you're in the creative field, then using Instagram is a way to find work. Instagram is a great tool and should be looked at more. If you'd like to find out more information, just drop me a line and we'll make more videos on this subject. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and don't forget to look out for the next one in this series. Please remember to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Good luck with earning money, guys, and remember you can have results or excuses, but you can't have both.